Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining how to start a Facebook group. Let's start the process. Open your Facebook app, and from here, tap on the three lines. And here you will find the option, Groups. Simply tap on this, and you will find the option plus at top right, tap on this, and tap on the first option, Create a Group. Now enter the name of your group like I am writing the name of mine. So after writing the name of your group, here is the option Privacy. Tap on this one. Here are the option Public or Private. Public means anyone who is not in your group also will be able to see your group post. But private means only member can see the post and comments of group. So it's up to you what you want to choose for your group. But for me, I will set it to public. After selecting this, tap on the option Done, and tap on this option Create Group. Now it's start processing, and here's the option Invite people. You can also invite your friends by sharing the group link. And how can you do this? By simply tapping on this share group, and here is option Copy Link. After copying the link, you can send this link through Instagram, WhatsApp, or Telegram. There are a lot of other applications, and also you can send this in Messenger and more. You can also select your Facebook friends from here. So select as much as you want, but for now I will select only one. So for now I will invite only one of this friend. So now the invitation has been sent. So after sending invitations, tap on this option Done, and now tap on the option Next, which is at the top right. Add a cover photo. Remember one thing, always choose the cover photo according to your group name. Like the name of my page is Cryptography. I will upload a cover according to the name of my group, but for now I will skip it. So therefore I'm tapping on the option Next, because I can set this after creating group. And here is the option Describe your group. You have to write the description of your group like I'm writing. So after describing about your group, tap on the option Next. And if you want to create a post for your group, then simply write something here. But if you don't want, so let it be as it is, like I am not posting anything. So after setting up all this, tap on the option Done. So as you see, the group has been created successfully. So it was a basic way by which you can create a group on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.